global access forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market.
Our topic for today is manual stop loss. Boom and crash trailing stop loss strategy is a special strategy that you can use as a day trader, or as a scalping trader, or as a swinging trader, to always move your stop loss manually. So manual trailing stop loss method, a common tactic for those with a long position in a stock. It's supposed to be in boom and crash here. In boom and crash, to move the stop loss off only once a pullback has occurred and the price is once again rising. The stop loss is moved just the stop loss is moved off to just below the swing low of the pullback, for example. So I'm going to share the example for you. This is just a simple recap of what you need to learn today. Manual stop loss is just a normal method of identifying your levels and be trying to adjust your stop loss above every pullback that the market has finished trading. Let me show you a live short examples of my trades. So you see, this is our magic bomb strategy, and this is the entry I was supposed to talk about. It's a buy signal order we have given on. Let me check the date for you. So these are the signals I'm talking about. This boom 1000 signals, you see. $13,770. This is the new stop loss I've already placing on this trade, and you can see the date I've executed the trade is on the 2nd of this our November. So let me show you the exact way and the exact scenario you can be able to take your trades and be trailing your stop loss manually, like the way I'm doing right now and right here. So let me show you the thing now. So you see, look at this trade. We have buys here for a long time. Market has gone and hit this our high. The market retests back again. After market retest and finish this pullback, then the market go high again. After the market go high, this is where we place our stop loss around here. The first stop loss was placed below this pullback, below this pullback. So after this pullback has finished, market go off again and break this highs. There's a small pullback here, so that's why we put our stop loss as well. But now look at what the market did. The market come back and finish it pullback here. You can see market pull back here and it's going up, and that's why our stop loss was just here around that area. So if market pull back down here, if it not break it and continue going up, then I will shift the stop loss close to this pullback as well. So what you'll do manually is that you'll try to be shifting your stop loss towards the next pullback end. Let me show you what I mean. This is a trend. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you what I mean. This is a trend, pullback, trend, pullback, trend, pullback, trend. So this is why we're placing the pullback, the stop loss below every pullback, below every pullback, below every pull. Okay, this one is not correct. Below every pullback, that's why you'll be placing your stop loss. See? So now we are waiting for market to come down here. If it retest this area and create and finish its pullback here and continue going up, then we'll still put another stop loss at this area. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. You can see this is the trade we have been riding since last week. We have gotten the signal from our magic bomb strategy. So please, what you just need to understand with this manual trailing stop loss strategy, you continue to adjust your stop loss manually till it reaches some certain level that you are satisfied with it, or all your decisions are aligned on it, then you can be able to move on with your trades. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. I just say, let me share with you this simple setup that I got, and let me show you. I've given this signal on the 2nd of February in my BIP group, and it's currently reading more than, let's check how many pips, from 13402 to 18 to 13883. Let's calculate the pips. We'll minus this from this. We're going to minus our entry level from this, our current level. So let's use calculator. Let's calculate 5 13 80 minus 13402, 478 pips. You see, this our entry has moved 478 pips. Just 2 days signal in just 48 hours. 48 hours. 48 hours. So this is just crazy. This is just crazy. And you can be able to get all these things done right from our decks, either from our own VIP signals or from our magic bomb strategy or the rest. So please don't forget, if you find any value on this video, don't forget to hit the like button, or also comment on this video so that I can be able to get more of this video for you. So this is Adnan Global Access Forest. Please, for those that have questions for me, can always ask. And also, I will be releasing my giveaway video and magic bomb strategy before the end of this weekend, by God grace. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye. So I did not show you the signal. Let me go back and show you the signals. This is 2nd November. Look at it. This is 2nd November. The date is the flames on top of my screen. This is 2nd November. So let me show you. See our entry level. Our entry level is for 13402. See, and look at the time I entered the signal. And see our entry here is intact. TP1 is intact, TP2 and TP3 as well. So you see, this is a live VIP signals I gave, and that's what we are able to capture 478 pips in less than 48 hours. And you should know that this signal is not the only signal we took in our VIP group. So assuming you have only $5, assuming you have only $5 account, and you risk 5% of your account. 5% of $5 is $5 divided by 20. $5 divided by 20 is 0. Let's say 0.20 is 0.2, as I was wanted to say. 0.2 is the answer. So that's to tell you that you can only risk 20 cents. So let me show you how you can take this trade and risk 20 cents only with $5. You can just go and use this method. Please, for those that want to know how to reduce lot size, kindly check the link in the description. A video is there. That video will show you how to calculate lot size or how to calculate peak value in Boom and Crash. So that's that about that. So I think you're able to see how the movement was and exact momentum that needs to follow. So this is at non-global access forex. So you can see this long trend, almost 500 pips, 478 pips as we calculated. So it's a very good number of pips to get, and that's so if you are using $5 or $10, you can use 0.01 or 0.02 lot size. And if to say you got this 400 and 78 pips, let's do small calculation. This is 0.01 multiply by that amount, 400, sorry, 478. So you have gotten almost 100% of your money. That's if you even risk only, that's if you use 0.01, not even the minimum lot, which is 0.2. But see what you are using, only 0.01, which I always recommend every Boom and Crash trader to use. If you have less than if you have less than $50 account, never trade more than 0.01 to 0.05, 0.01 to 0.05. That's the lot size you should trade between. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. Nice to have you now, and see you in my next video. Bye.